Hi friends, TravellinGeek here, and today I have the Xiaomi 12 Pro 5G. This is the 12 GB RAM and 256 GB of storage variant, and this is priced at 66,999. You heard that right, 67K. I think the second most expensive device, the smartphone I mean to say, after the Xiaomi's last year's Mi 11 Ultra. So this year they are pushing the Xiaomi 12 Pro, the Pro series model, or I can say semi-flagship, or I don't know whether to call this as a flagship device or not, because the Ultra is yet to come. So at least till now we have this flagship product from the Xiaomi, and they are really promoting hard, so more and more people will actually get this phone. And this phone is unique. I mean, Xiaomi has actually given a lot of stuff in the Xiaomi 12 Pro. So anyways, I'm just going to open this box. I received the product just today, and what a surprise to me that even this phone is actually having the Made in India logo. Now I don't know whether they actually manufactured the device in India or just packed the device in India, but this is having the Made in India logo. So I think majority of the assembly has actually happened here. So I think this is their first flagship phone with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in India. This is also a phone which has a 350 megapixel cameras. You heard that right. And in fact, the telephoto they have here also having very bright aperture, that's f1.9. This phone also come with a WQHD plus, that's the 2K plus AMOLED display, and this is also a 10-bit display with the LTPO 2.0 technology. So yeah, we all know this, that this display can in theory can actually go as low as 1 hertz to the 120 hertz, and yeah, with the quad speakers, and yes, 120 watt charger inside. Anyways, I'm just going to open this. So this phone is available for 66,999 with a 12 to 56 GB option, and as well as at slightly lower price, that's 62,999 for the 8 to 56 GB option. Now the difference between the two variants is not much, and I think if you're looking for the top end variant, you should actually go for 66,999. The company is also pushing very aggressive offer right now, where they're actually giving a straight 10,000 off. Yes, that's correct, 10,000 off on Amazon.com, Amazon.in, as well as Xiaomi's own online store, as well as Xiaomi's exclusive offline stores. They are also giving a good exchange offer. So whatever the old device you have, you can actually pitch for the exchange, and they are actually giving the 10,000 off and additional exchange price too. So for example, I have now Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and that device is fetching around 8K. That's 8,000 for the exchange. So you will get 10,000 off as well as 8,000 exchange, so total 18,000 off on this device. I think this offer is going on till 15th of May, if I'm correct. I read that somewhere that this offer is till 15th of May. So if you're planning to go for Xiaomi 12 Pro 5G, and if you're also looking to exchange your device, I think this is the right time to buy it. And now let's open it. So we get the ejector pin inside. We get this I think this is the 3.5 mm, sorry, the type C to 3.5 mm adapter. I need to check whether it's there or not. Yes, it's there. It's really good to see that Xiaomi is giving this even with their flagship phones. I have seen this type of adapter first with their Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G anyway, that's right. Now here we have the quick start guide. Okay, and this is the case. Seriously, such a soft case with such an expensive phone. Really, I mean, come on Xiaomi, you could have given a much better case. So here we have the amazing device. So let's keep this aside for a second or minute, I can say. And this is the, oh my god, this charger is really heavy. This is the 120 watt charger with a USB A to C, and I'm really interested what is here on it. Is it supporting standards like the USB PD and also the USB PD PPS? I'm not so sure. At least I cannot see anything like PD PPS. So this is a made in China charger. This has the Quick Charge 3 logo, but I couldn't see anything like USB PD PPS. So definitely this charger cannot be used with my S22 Ultra to charge it at 45 watts. And this is the cable here. This is a standard type A to type C cable. Now one thing I'm not able to understand is why Xiaomi is still not switching to the type C to type C cable, why they are still using the type A port here. Anyways, all mess. Just let's open and see. And we don't have any screen protector installed here. That's a really bad thing. Anyways, okay, so this is also a very smooth texture finish. It doesn't have any kind of I read somewhere, I read and some reviewers were telling that this has some sort of a unique texture finish, and no, it's a very smooth finish. Okay, looks good overall. So let me just clean up the mess on this table, and then we will see whether the phone starts or not. Okay, so I have the phone here. I have already added to the case. This is a very basic case, frankly speaking. It has that protective cap to protect the USB. This is protecting this part pretty well. The cutouts are quite accurate, and yeah, you can actually use this case for the initial time unless and until you get a much better case. But I think you need one has to invest in a good quality case for this specific phone, and one needs to also invest in a good quality screen protector. Now finding a good quality screen protector is not gonna be easy, because right now we don't have much options available in the offline. I will search the options soon in the offline stores for a better screen protector, and I will update on another video. So anyways, I'm going to start it. Just press the power key for a few seconds, and here we have the Mi logo. So let's see how fast the device gets booted for its first boot. Oh wow, it's already on. So here we have the MIUI 13 out of the box. I'm just clicking next, and here we have options for English India, Marathi and all that. Okay, I'm just going with the English India. The region is selected already, India. That's good. I have to select the terms and conditions. Okay, so I have not inserted the SIM card right now. It is saying me to insert the SIM card, but anyways, I'm going to skip it. I'm also going to skip the Wi-Fi stuff. Okay, saying disable, don't use location, don't do anything this. I'm also going to skip it. No personalized ads, don't send diagnostic data. Location I'm keeping off, no glance for me. Okay, so I have just disabled this everything. I'm going with the app drawer. Oh, it's done finally. Okay, so let's see how much time it takes now. Oh, it's pretty fast, huh? Seriously, this is pretty fast. Must say this is pretty good. And let's see what are the pre-installed apps now. So first of all, I have Spotify, Facebook, Netflix. Well, I use this app, so I'm just gonna keep them. I also have the Google Pay, which is pre-installed. Then I have this Google Podcast is also there, and this only one app, Zilly. So let's see whether we can just remove these apps. Yes, you can. Wow, lovely, that was a nice animation. Do I need to remove the Me Credit? I don't want this. Yes, I can remove this application. Can I remove the podcast? Cool. And okay, I'm keeping the Spotify. I don't use the YT Music, so I'm just going to remove this app too. So the good part is you can remove certain applications, but yeah, certain preloaded applications which are embedded inside the ROM, like the YouTube, I don't think so you can remove this. You can't even disable this app. Now this is a major drawback with the MIUI series or the MIUI, because in the Samsung phones like this S22 Ultra, I can actually disable the embedded YouTube app. Yeah, you heard that right. It's possible to do it, and I'm actually using the YouTube Advanced app. Anyways, let's go into the settings. What I want to understand, that what kind of storage we get out of the 256 GB. So where is the storage? Is it under the additional settings? No. Wow. Oh, sorry, it's in the about phone. Okay, I forgot that. So here we have 1.49 GB is already been used by the apps and data. Then we have a 6.64 GB. I think that's the other thing. I don't know what's this. Yeah, these are the apps which are installed, and I can remove these apps, I think so. But anyways, I think most of the apps I will need, so I'm not going to remove them. So out of 256 GB, I hope you can read this. 25.1 GB right now is consumed, and I have a 230.9 GB available. Well, not bad. I also want to see that what is the default screen resolution right now. Is this the QHD plus or it is showing the FHD plus? So right now it is the FHD plus, and I can definitely switch to the QHD plus, white QHD plus, but I would like to see that what happens if I'm just going to keep the FHD plus. I mean, I need to understand the battery backup here, because many reviewers are saying that battery backup is pretty poor with this specific phone. What I like about, oh wait a minute, so this fluidness I have, no, I think this has been changed. The default was this. Yeah, it's really smooth. And in the custom rate, I can actually select the highest refresh rate, so I can go with a minimum 60 Hertz to 90 Hertz and even to 120 Hertz. If I keep the 90 Hertz, phone is still pretty smooth. Very interesting. So guys, this is the basic walkthrough of the Xiaomi 12 Pro, the unboxing and the quick experience with the device. So till now it looks good. Now I need to set up the phone and I need to start using the phone. So guys, do let me know what kind of videos you are looking to watch on this channel for the Xiaomi 12 Pro, I'm actually thinking to do various kind of videos which are pretty unique and not done by most of the people out there. So thanks a lot watching this video. If you do like this video, don't forget to click on thumbs up, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is Traveling Geek. I'm signing off. See you in the next video. Bye bye.